Functioning, aim, and objective of United Nations. The United Nations functions as an international organization where countries come together to promote cooperation and address global issues. Its functioning involves several key components. Number 1 is General Assembly. All member countries discuss and decide on important global issues, each having one vote. It's like a world parliament where nations share ideas and make recommendations on various topics. Second is Security Council. Responsible for maintaining international peace and security, it can take actions such as imposing sanctions or deploying peacekeepers in conflict areas. Third is Secretariat. Carries out the day-to-day work of the UN. Led by the Secretary General, it helps implement decisions made by the General Assembly and the Security Council. Fourth is Specialized Agencies. Address specific global challenges, such as health, WHO, education, UNESCO, and children's rights, UNICEF. Work on specialized areas to provide expertise and support to countries. Sixth is Peacekeeping, deployed to help maintain peace in areas of conflict. Peacekeepers monitor and facilitate agreements between conflicting parties, aiming to prevent the resumption of hostilities. Then we discuss the aim of the United Nations. The United Nations has several broad aims, all focused on creating a better world by promoting cooperation and addressing global challenges. The main aims include: Number 1, maintaining peace and security. To prevent conflicts, resolve disputes peacefully, and facilitate international cooperation to maintain global peace. Number 2, promoting development. To support economic and social development in countries, reduce poverty, and improve living standards. Number 3, protecting human rights. To uphold and promote human rights for all people, regardless of race, gender, religion, or nationality. Number 4, fostering international cooperation. To encourage collaboration among nations in areas like trade, science, and culture, fostering a sense of global community. Number 5 is providing humanitarian assistance. To respond to crises, provide aid in emergencies, and assist countries in rebuilding after disasters. We discuss the objectives of the United Nations. The specific objectives of the United Nations align with its broader aims and include: preventing armed conflicts, to prevent the outbreak of wars and conflicts, and if they occur, to facilitate their peaceful resolution. Eliminating poverty. To address economic disparities and promote sustainable development to reduce poverty worldwide. Protecting human rights. To safeguard the rights and dignity of individuals and groups, promoting equality and justice. Addressing global health challenges. To tackle health issues, coordinate responses to pandemics, and improve access to healthcare. Promoting environmental sustainability. To address environmental challenges, combat climate change, and encourage sustainable practices. And last, we discuss the conclusion of our lecture. In summary, the United Nations functions as a platform for international collaboration, with the aim of maintaining peace, promoting development, protecting human rights, and addressing global challenges for the betterment of humanity. Its objectives encompass a wide range of issues aimed at creating a more just, equitable, and sustainable world.